Let me ask you something. If your life fell apart tomorrow, not in theory, but actually fell apart, you lose your income, your name gets questioned, your confidence cracks, who fixes it? Your parents? Your friends? The government? They might hug you, they might tell you it's not your fault, and that comfort might be the most dangerous thing they give you, because nobody will wake up at 5 a.m. for you. Nobody will rebuild your reputation for you. Nobody will train your discipline when you quit. There is no secret mentor coming, no dramatic rescue scene, no perfect moment. Part of you is still waiting, waiting for motivation, waiting to be discovered, waiting for life to finally be fair. But life does not reward waiting, it rewards movement. The day you realize nobody is coming is the day you stop negotiating with your weakness. You stop blaming. You stop explaining. You stop hoping someone else carries the weight, and you pick it up. That's not depressing. That's power. No rescue, no excuses, just ownership. And ownership is heavy, but it is lighter than regret.